Hello.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, can you show teacher where is rooster? Good. Where is pig? Good. Where is hen? Hen. Yes. And where is sheep? Good. Where is horse? Very good. Where is duck? Good. Where is goat? Perfect. Now, where is cow? Very good. Okay, now can you tell teacher what animal is this?
It's a dog.
Good. What does a dog say?
Go.
Good. And what do you see?
Pig.
It's a pig. And a pig say?
One.
Boing, boing. What animal is this?
It's a dog.
And a duck say?
Quack quack.
Good. What animal is this?
It's a cat.
And a cat say?
Meow meow.
What animal is this?
It's a horse.
And a horse say?
Neigh, neigh.
Yes. Good. What animal is this?
Sheep.
It's a sheep.
It's a sheep.
And a sheep say?
Baby.
Yeah, good. What animal is this?
It's a cockatoo.
It's a rooster.
It's a rooster.
Yes, and a rooster say?
Cockatoo.
Yes, and what animal is this?
It's a cow.
And a cow say?
Say. Moo.
Good. What animal is this?
It's a
Goat.
cow.
And a goat say? Ba.
Ba.
What animal is this?
Hen.
It's?
It's a hen.
And a hen say?
Say.
Cluck, cluck.
Cluck.
What animal is this?
It's a mouse.
Ooh, good. And what animal is this?
It's a sheep.
Yes, and last one.
It's a rabbit.
High five. Very good.